Izolo kuthambame ilanga sekuqinisekiswe ukuthi zine izingane ezingakatholakali kulezo ezimuke nebhasi elincane elaliya esikoleni. Namhlanje inhlangano iGift of the Givers, abathungathi kanye namaphoyisa bathole isidumbu okukholakala ukuthi ngesentombazanyana. Ukuhlolwa kwezidumbu kuzobanjezelwa ukungabikho kwamanzi.
In terms of pathologic, the president even recommended that they worked overnight. Others even went home to fetch water because we don't have water. They took their bakkies to make sure that we do the autopsy overnight.
Kusenjalo, umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa nethimba longqongqoshe okubalwa kubo wezokubusa ngokubambisana uVelenkosini Hlabisa, owezempilo uDokotela uAaron Motsoaledi, owemfundo esisekelo uSiviwe Gwarube kanye noNdunankulu wase-Eastern Cape uOscar Mabuyane baye kubona ibhuloho lapho izingane zesikole ebezihamba ngebhasi elincane zimuke khona.
We found 9 bodies so far. We found 8 yesterday and 9th one just a short while ago. And that was important. The hospital is very severely affected, where the reservoirs, it's not, there's no water in the reservoir. The generators are blown. The patients and medical staff don't have any water.
Kusenjalo, labo abakhoseliswe ezindaweni zesikhashana bathi impilo inzima.
Izimpahla zabantwana sishekele phangaphakathi asinalo singayenza siphelele kwezimpahla sizinxibileyo okwase sizinxibe ngala10 kwakuhlamba sagqibela ngalamini bakuzokwenzeka lento asikawaphatha amanzi oko silapha kunzima even ukutya okufikayo apha kuncinci akuseneli.